Living quietly can mean different things to different people, but here are some general tips that may help. Simplify your life, minimize clutter, reduce unnecessary possessions, and streamline your schedule. This can help you focus on what's truly important and reduce stress. Practice mindfulness, be present in the moment, observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and cultivate a sense of inner calm. Avoid drama, refrain from gossiping, avoid confrontational people, and don't engage in unnecessary arguments or debates. Create boundaries, learn to say no when you need to, establish healthy boundaries with others, and protect your time and energy. Spend time in nature. Being in nature can be very calming and restorative. Take walks, go on hikes, or simply sit outside and enjoy the fresh air. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and emotional well-being by getting enough sleep, eating well, exercising regularly, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Avoid social media. Social media can be a source of noise and distraction. Consider taking a break or limiting your use if it's causing you stress or anxiety. Remember that living quietly doesn't mean living in isolation or avoiding all social interaction. It simply means finding a balance between being engaged in the world and taking time for yourself to cultivate peace and tranquility.